Welcome back to the Solo English Podcast. I'm really happy you're here with me again. Today's lesson is all about real life English, the kind of English you need every single day. Sentences you can use with friends, at home, at school, at work, when texting, when meeting new people. These will help you sound natural, confident, and friendly. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Star sentence 1. How's it going? Very common greeting. Repeat. How's it going? Star sentence 2. What are you up to? This means, what are you doing? Repeat. What are you up to? Star sentence 3. Just chilling. This means relaxing, doing nothing special. Repeat. Just chilling. Star sentence 4. No problem. Friendly and natural. Repeat. No problem. Star sentence 5. Sounds good. Great. Pronunciation tip. Casual tone. Everyday English is relaxed, not too formal. Listen. How's it going? Native speakers often drop the G. Repeat. How's it going? Perfect. Fluent upgrade. Instead of, I don't know, I'm not sure. Repeat. I'm not sure. More natural and polite. Real-life example. Your friend texts you, want to hang out later? You reply, sounds good. What time? Very natural. More everyday sentences. Repeat after me. Give me a second. Hold on. I'll be right back. Take care. See you later. Excellent. Shadowing practice. Listen and repeat with natural rhythm. Give me a second. I'll be right back. See you later. Take care. Again, a little faster. Give me a second. I'll be right back. See you later. Take care. Nice. Power pattern. Excellent. I'm about to. This means I will do something very soon. Examples. I'm about to leave. I'm about to eat. I'm about to sleep. Repeat. I'm about to leave. Beautiful. Daily use phrases. Repeat after me. I'm on it. I'm almost there. Let's do it. Not yet. Very common in conversation. Today, you learned everyday English that helps you sound natural, speak like a real person, communicate easily, feel more confident. You're doing an amazing job. Take a deep breath and repeat, I can speak English confidently.